Even though autumn's here, it's still hot down south, and honestly, I want cold drinks all year round. That's why I picked up this tabletop ice maker, and let me tell you, it's a game changer if you love ice on demand. Hey everyone, welcome to Tips Trove, your trove of tips to better your life. So, what makes this ice maker different from the one in your fridge? For starters, fridge ice is slow, and if you don't use it right away, it absorbs all those fridge odors. This machine fixes that. It's fast, fresh, and simple to use. When you first set it up, let it sit upright for a bit so the refrigerant settles. Give it a quick wipe, run the cleaning cycle, and you're good to go. After that, just fill the tank, hit the power button, and in minutes, you've got fresh ice. You can even pick your cube size. The machine keeps producing until the tray's full or the water runs out. Just remember, it's not a freezer, so if you want to save your cubes, transfer them to your freezer. But the beauty is, whenever you need ice, you can make it instantly. Plus, it's compact enough to sit on the corner of your counter or take outside for gatherings. Compared to other ice makers, this one's affordable, portable, and one of the easiest options you'll find on Amazon. Perfect if it's your first tabletop ice maker. If you want to check it out, the link's in the description below. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases, so thank you for supporting the channel. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and let me know in the comments, what's the first drink you'd use this ice maker for? This is Tips Trove. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.